Welcome back to Edgemont Village Vista, everybody. We are week 32 into construction here. Now, I want to remind everybody, we had a 2-month hiatus at this project because the clients revisited the design. So, make sure as we're going through this project that you are pulling at least 8 weeks, probably more like 10 weeks off of the week since project started number, because we had a bit of a delay. But in the background here, I'm very happily and very proud to show one of our latest acquisitions. Can I speak freaking English? Holy shit. Dump trailer. We just had it branded. I mean, it looks absolutely awesome. Very, very proud to have this in the fleet, and it certainly helps us to service our clients that much better. We have a whole bunch of demolition work going on inside, hence why we've got a dump trailer here. We've also been utilizing a lot of bins because this is not necessarily always the most efficient way to deal with things when you're doing bulk demolition, but it's great if you just have ongoing little bits here and there. We got demolition going on the back side of the house. We've got all sorts of activities going on. Let's stop talking about it from the driveway and go wander around and check out to see what the team's been up to. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in the back of the home here. So our clients have decided that they want to redo all of the siding on the home, which is going to give us the opportunity to improve the building envelope and get that air tightness that everybody so covets currently. I mean, it definitely is important for energy efficiency, but certainly has other ramifications and issues that are unintended consequences, which we are unpacking on the podcast. So if you want to hear more about my thoughts about the march towards step 5 and net zero and air tightness and the building code, would love for you to join me there. In the meantime though, we're doing what we do because that's what we've been asked to do. And so stucco's coming off. We've got Anne crushing things behind me here. She's getting the stucco off, which is a big job. We have pulled up the old paving stones that were here because this is all going to get modified back here. We had the Sunken built-in hot tub that was there before. That's getting eliminated. We're working hard to get that done. We got Amar and Liam cohorting over there to figure out the next steps for the exterior of the home and come up with a game plan, because that's what you got to do in order to make things happen, is you got to come up with a game plan, right? So that's all good. Tons of progress, tons of things happening here on this site. We are really starting to cook with fire. Let's go inside and just check things out in there, shall we? Not a ton of changes on the main floor of the house here for the moment. We are mostly focused on doing the exterior demo. I think Anne got a bunch of work done in the basement, so we're gonna go down and check that out next. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in the basement now, and we have got new frost walls framed, at least along this wall here. The game plan for this area has completely changed from when we originally started. You really do want to subscribe to this channel. You want to follow this playlist through, because this is going to be a very exciting project. The transformation is literally going to twist your mind. Again, I will remind everybody we're working with Beyond Beige as our design partner on this project, and we are really excited to be working with them. So stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe, because this is going to be very exciting to show you. That's a wrap on today, everybody. If you have a renovation you've been dreaming of, we would love to be your partners in success. Website, phone number, contact us. We want to work with you. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. We are on our way to 1,000 subs, so your support is so very greatly appreciated. Stay awesome. Catch you on the next one. Bye now.